Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're talking about finding the perfect car as you get a little older. And no, I don't just mean a minivan with racing stripes. We're diving deep into the top 6 used cars that seniors are seeking out in 2025. And let me tell you, these aren't your grandpa's Oldsmobiles. We're talking about vehicles that are reliable, comfortable, safe, and yes, even a little bit stylish. Whether it's for comfort, reliability, or ease of use, these cars have it all. So buckle up, grab your reading glasses, just kidding, you know I'm all about those enhanced HUDs, and let's get started. So, the first car on our list is a tried and true classic, the Toyota Camry. This car has been a staple in the automotive world for decades and for good reason. The Camry has been a bestseller for decades for a reason. Its reputation for reliability and comfort is unmatched. It's basically the automotive equivalent of a comfortable pair of slippers. Slide into the driver's seat, and you'll immediately feel at home. Getting in and out of a Camry is a breeze. The doors open wide, and the seats are positioned at just the right height. The seats are legendary for their comfort. Whether you're on a short trip to the grocery store or a long road trip, you'll be sitting in the lap of luxury. The controls are all laid out in a logical, easy-to-use manner. Everything is within arm's reach, and the buttons and knobs are intuitive. No need to call your grandkids for tech support every time you want to change the radio station. The infotainment system is user-friendly and straightforward. And of course, it wouldn't be a Camry without its legendary reliability. The engine is built to last, and the car is known for its durability. These things are built to last, and they rarely have any major issues. With regular maintenance, a Camry can easily surpass 200,000 miles. So if you're looking for a used car that's going to be a faithful companion for years to come, you really can't go wrong with a Toyota Camry. It's the perfect blend of comfort, ease of use, and reliability. Next up, we're shifting gears from sedans to the world of SUVs with the Honda CR-V. The CR-V offers a lot of benefits for older drivers, especially when it comes to reliability and low maintenance costs. It's a vehicle that brings peace of mind, knowing that it won't let you down when you need it the most. Hondas are known for their longevity and dependability, and the CR-V is no exception. This SUV is built to withstand the test of time, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. These things are built to last, with robust engines and transmissions that can take a beating. Whether you're driving on smooth highways or rough terrains, the CR-V handles it all with ease. Routine maintenance is a breeze, with readily available and affordable parts. You won't have to worry about expensive repairs or hard-to-find components. The cargo area is spacious enough to fit all your groceries, luggage, or even that antique grandfather clock you've been meaning to take to the repair shop. It's perfect for those who need a versatile vehicle for everyday tasks. Visibility is another area where the CR-V shines. The large windows and high driving position provide a commanding view of the road, making it easier to navigate through traffic and spot potential hazards. The large windows and high driving position provide a commanding view of the road. This feature is particularly beneficial for seniors, as it enhances safety and confidence while driving. So while you might not immediately think of an SUV when considering a car for seniors, the Honda CR-V is definitely worth a closer look. Its combination of reliability, low maintenance costs, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and practical vehicle. Now, for the third car on our list, we're venturing into the realm of safety with the Subaru Outback. This vehicle has consistently been a favorite among seniors for its reliability and robust safety features. Subarus have long been known for their commitment to safety, and the Outback is a shining example of that dedication. It's not just a car, it's a fortress on wheels designed to protect its occupants. With its advanced safety features, it's a top contender for seniors who prioritize peace of mind behind the wheel. The Outback offers a sense of security that is hard to match, making every journey a worry-free experience. One of the standout safety features of the Outback is its standard all-wheel drive system, known as symmetrical all-wheel drive. This system ensures that power is distributed evenly to all 4 wheels, providing better control and stability. This system provides exceptional traction and stability, especially in challenging weather conditions. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, or on a slippery road, the Outback has got you covered. The Outback is also packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, often bundled under the name EyeSight. These features are designed to assist the driver in various situations, enhancing overall safety. These systems use cameras and sensors to monitor the road ahead and alert you to potential hazards. They act as an extra pair of eyes, constantly scanning the environment to keep you safe. The Outback's pre-collision braking system can automatically apply the brakes if it senses an impending collision. This feature can be a lifesaver, preventing accidents before they happen. So, if safety is your top priority when choosing a used car, the Subaru Outback should be at the top of your list. Its combination of advanced safety features, reliable performance, and overall comfort makes it an excellent choice for seniors looking for a dependable vehicle. Chapter 4. Title: Ford Escape, the fuel-efficient and eco-friendly choice. Moving on to our fourth car, we've got a popular pick for the environmentally conscious, the Ford Escape. The latest iterations have made significant strides in fuel efficiency without sacrificing practicality or style. Ford offers a variety of powertrain options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. These electrified options deliver impressive fuel economy, allowing you to go further on a tank of gas and reduce your carbon footprint. The hybrid models in particular are a great choice for seniors who want the best of both worlds. They offer the fuel savings of a hybrid without the range anxiety that can come with a fully electric vehicle. So if you're looking for a used car that's both practical and environmentally responsible, the Ford Escape is definitely worth considering. Chapter 5. Title: Chevrolet Equinox, spacious interiors and ease of access for all. For our fifth contender, we're focusing on a feature that's often overlooked but incredibly important for seniors: ease of access. The Chevrolet Equinox takes the cake with its wide-opening doors and generously sized cabin. Getting in and out is a breeze, even for those with mobility issues. The seats are positioned at an ideal height, making it easy to slide in and out. The cargo area is also quite roomy, providing ample space for groceries, luggage, or whatever else you need to haul around. Visibility is another area where the Equinox excels. So if you want a car that makes life a little bit easier, the Chevrolet Equinox is a great choice. Chapter 6. Title: Hyundai Sonata, affordability and value for money that's hard to beat. And last but certainly not least, we come to our sixth and final car on the list, the Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata offers an impressive combination of features, quality, and affordability that's hard to beat. One of the things that makes the Sonata so appealing is its competitive pricing. Even when compared to other cars in its class, the Sonata tends to come in at a lower price point. The Sonata's interior is also surprisingly upscale for its price point. Materials are of good quality, and the design is modern and well executed. So if you're looking for a used car that offers the best bang for your buck, the Hyundai Sonata is definitely worth considering. Title: wrapping up our top used car picks for seniors. So there you have it, folks, our top 6 used car picks for seniors in 2025. From the comfort and reliability of the Toyota Camry to the safety-focused Subaru Outback and the value-packed Hyundai Sonata, there's a car on this list for every senior and every need. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And be sure to let me know in the comments which car you think is the best for seniors in 2025. Is it all about that Camry comfort, or are you Team Outback when it comes to safety? Let's get a conversation going. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safely, and I'll see you on the road.